Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting functional equation. We have f of x plus root x squared plus 1. This is equal to the conjugate x minus root x squared plus 1. So here we'll be evaluating f of 3 plus f of 6. Now let's get started. Now, let us use this idea of difference of two squares. We know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now, let us check out the product of this and the conjugate. We know we have x plus square root of x squared plus 1 multiplied by x minus square root of x squared plus 1. Using the above difference of two squares formula, so this will be same as x squared minus root of x squared plus 1 squared. We know this square, we cancel the square root. So this will be equal to x squared minus x squared then minus 1, right? Because what is left in this bracket is x squared plus 1, which will be equal to negative 1. Right? So consider the product of this and this is equal to negative 1. So now the next thing to do is to let this input here equal another variable, right? So we're going to let x plus square root of x squared plus 1 equals t. Okay? Now, let us check the reciprocal, right? So we know the reciprocal of this will be 1 all over x plus square root of x squared plus 1. This will be equal to the reciprocal of the right hand side, 1 all over t. Now here we're going to rationalize by conjugation, right? So we know the conjugate form of this is this right over here. So let's multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate form. So this will be 1 multiplied by x minus square root of x squared plus 1 divided by x plus square root of x squared plus 1 multiplied by x minus square root of x squared plus 1. Then this will be equal to 1 all over t. So up here we just have x minus square root of x squared plus 1, then divided by, we know the product of this and this is negative 1. So this will be negative 1 from here. This is equal to 1 all over t. So multiply both sides by negative 1, we get that x minus square root of x squared plus 1 is equal to negative 1 all over t. Now let us go back to the original functional equation. We know that f of x plus square root of x squared plus 1 is equal to the conjugate x minus square root of x squared plus 1. So recall that this here is equal to t. So we have f of t is equal to the conjugate is negative 1 over 2. So we have negative 1 over t. Now replace t with x. Therefore, we get the original functional equation. F of x will be equal to negative 1 over x. Amazing. Now let us find the main problem. We know we are asked to evaluate f of 3 plus f of 6. So here f of 3 will be equal to negative 1 over 3. And f of 6 will be equal to negative 1 over 6. So let's find their sum. So f of 3 plus f of 6 will be equal to negative 1 over 3 plus negative 1 over 6. So this is equal to negative 1 over 3 plus times minus is minus, then 1 over 6. Negative 1 over 3 same as negative 2 over 6 minus 1 over 6. So from here, this is equal to negative 3 over 6, which is equal to negative 1 over 2. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.